2 step to improve your audio. Let's go.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah.
First step, go to Google and type podcast.adobe.com/enhance. And sign up or sign in there. Once sign up, choose file from your gallery. And click the file and once done, click download. Once downloaded, go to your CapCut and choose the video.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right.
Click the video and look for the extract audio. Yes, once extracted, delete the sounds and go to your file, and from device, look for the video that you downloaded. And now check
Everybody
the
look
video.
to the left. Everybody look to the right. Did you feel that? Yeah. I'm being in the dark tonight. It's not about the money, money, money.
Kung may natutunan, follow for more.